Want to access your security cameras from anywhere? In this video, I'll show you how to set up port forwarding for your DVR, NVR, or IP camera step by step.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Port forwarding allows your router to send incoming internet traffic directly to your DVR, NVR, or IP camera, making remote viewing possible. Before you begin, assign a static IP address to your recorder or camera so the forwarding rules always point to the correct device. Next, log in to your router's web interface using its local IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Find the port forwarding or virtual server section, then create a new rule using the ports required by your DVR, NVR, or IP camera manufacturer. Enter your recorder's static IP address, select the correct protocol, and save the configuration. Repeat the process if multiple ports are required. Once the settings are saved, restart your router if required, then test the forwarded ports using your mobile app or remote viewing software. If remote viewing doesn't work, check your ISP for CGAT restrictions, verify your public IP address, confirm your firewall settings, and make sure the forwarded ports match your device requirements. Keep in mind that many modern CCTV systems use secure P2P cloud access, which usually eliminates the need for manual port forwarding and is often the easier option.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.